My name is Tim Laughlin, and I work in trailer finals as a master assembler. Been here for 14 years.
Well, I think Don's a fair man. He treats everybody fair. You do him a good job, he's going to take care of you. It's just like he's just a good man. He'll take care of you if you treat him right.
Up to date, have built about 28,000 trailers, just a little bit over. So we have run a lot of trailers through. One of the interesting things about our trailers, we do a lot of specials. So we're actually building for about 13 different industries right now.
It's a good place to work, good hours. If you just come work hard, it'll work out great for you. I like the insurance, 4% profit sharing. Anything about it's really great.
There's a job and a career, and this place you can make a career out of.